That Texas heat. Hollow points.
Basically, I crashed it at not the last drift gala, but the one before that. The same one Gerard crashed his Aristo. I crashed it about 10 minutes before that. It was really early into the day. Definitely really disappointing because it was like my first time ever on a track. But I mean, you know, sometimes you make those mistakes. It just happens, you know, it's part of it. The hood, fenders, and bumper all came from Japan. I ended up sourcing it. They went into a container that took about 1.5 years to show up because, you know, COVID, there was like the whole container thing. Basically it took a long time to show up and it's finally come together. Yeah, car got straightened out at the shop. They did what they could with it. It looks great to me. It's gonna look exactly like how it did before because that's just kind of how I wanted it. And we're gonna be rolling the fenders. Yeah, it's gonna be sitting in the shop for a little bit here, but it's gonna get a lot of work done. It's gonna be cool.
Yeah, so rolling fenders is basically heat, patience, and experience. But on these cars, it's pretty unique because they have this stupid screw-on trim, which basically makes them kind of garbage to roll because you take this trim off and there's a bunch of holes in the fender, all of which are stress risers. So like you can't actually roll this and make it totally without waves. Like you will 100% have waves unless you do what we're gonna do, which is cut it back and then roll it. Like that. This is literally the biggest reason why so many guys with 90s have bacon fenders, because they don't know how to do this. So then they roll it, and it's just like, you'll cut all this off. So like, this is all gone. When you cut it back this far, there's not much left to roll. Especially here, it's so small, and it's like a really big radius, so there's not a lot to like, leverage against. So you kind of have to use a mallet sometimes. And then the quicker the metal moves, the easier the paint cracks. So even if you use a lot of heat, the key is to go really slow, which is not the easiest with a hammer versus rollers. Basically just round all this out because you have to make sure it's one congruent edge, not like these weird chops, because these chops are still gonna make waves. So the whole edge has to be flat completely, and then we roll it. Here at SERIALNINE, we do fender rolling all day, every day. Just kidding. We don't actually do fender rolling at all.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to S9 Weekly, checking everything that's going on this week. Head over to the website. We have our new all-over print t-shirt and muscle shirt. Thanks for tuning in.